Hey guys, so welcome to the Violet Verse. I'm the founder, Melissa, and I'm going to share with you how to connect your wallet and claim your BV token. So as you can see, this is the front page. You're going to connect your wallet. Now you put in the email address that is most aligned with you and that you can access. You put in your email address and then you go to your email address to retrieve the 6-digit passcode that is going to be emailed to you. So it's going to take probably like 30 seconds. So definitely give it some time. Once you get the 6-digit password, you put it in. So, okay, that's my passcode. As you can see, this is my flow address. Once you put in your email address, it's going to auto generate a flow blockchain for you. So you put confirm, and once you put confirm, boom, you're in. You have your, it's going to take you directly to your profile page. So you can edit your profile. So you could put, right now, this is just a test account, bio, I love reading cool content. And then you could also put your Twitter and then hit save. Another thing you need to do is go to set up your wallet. So this is on the desktop. You set up your BB wallet because that's another way to, this is the second step you need to take. So you're going to create your wallet, and this generating your wallet is basically how your airdrop is going to take place and connecting to the Flow blockchain. So you press approve again. And then once you sign your signature saying that you're not a bot, it's going to generate 777 tokens. And this is going to take about maybe 45 seconds. And this is going to allow you to be able to navigate the token gated content and buy content with BV tokens. So yeah, once you get your tokens, it gets you to your wallet. And as you can see here, you have your BV balance. This is your flow address. And then this is where you can send and receive BV tokens to authors on the platform. So this is the marketplace. Right now we have up 2 token gated content sections. We have the rise of engagement farming. So this is an article that's up there. It's a free article, but say you really like this article, right? Avalon wrote this. So all you do, you're like, hey, I want to send her a tip. You go to you copy, just click on it to copy her flow address. Then you go back to your wallet, and then you go to paste. So you're pasting in her wallet address. You're going to send her 60 tokens because you want to tip her. So you go to send tokens, and then you're sending Avalon tokens. You approve the transaction, so it's confirming a transaction. So that means it's sending those 60 tokens to Avalon's account. Again, this is going to take around 12 seconds. And once it's confirming a transaction, it's going to pop up with a, hey, transaction was successful, view your transaction. And then this is the transaction that you just received. So this is, you're paying the writer, and then this is your wallet address. So basically, if you go back, your wallet address ends in mine ends in D2E. So as you can see, the sender is D2E, the receiver is 293. She received 60 tokens. And this is Flow Scan, so it's kind of like an Ether scan. It's a block explorer. This is what talks, essentially, this is how things get sent and received on chain. And then if you wanted to check out our token gated content, all you have to do is unlock your content here. You stay on the page, you have to be logged in, you approve the transaction, and then from there, once you approve the transaction, it's going to deduct 5 BB tokens so you can actually read this article. Again, it's going to take 11 seconds. And yeah, essentially that's pretty much how you interact and with sending and receiving VV tokens on the VV platform. And once you once it does the transaction, you have access to see like the whole entire article. And then if you want to see how many tokens you have left, you have 712 tokens, assuming that you started with 777 tokens. You can view our Web3 resources. And this is the end of the tutorial. So hopefully you need to definitely put in upload your photo. But this is just V1 of how to navigate the platform. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Again, this probably takes like 2 minutes, but this is just a little bit about the VV platform. And hopefully I will see you in the first. Bye.